Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. What you have to do, you need to just follow my screen and we will fix this issue together. So in the first step, just go to search bar and type your task manager and click here to open it. Once we are here, we need to click on run new task, then select browse button. Now we need to go to this PC, open C drive, then just scroll down and open Windows folder. Again scroll down and open system32 folder. Again here in this system32 folder we need to find out the cmd.exe file. Select it and click on open. Now check this box, create this task with administrative privileges and click on OK. Once we are here, we need to type the command power cfg space dash h space off and hit enter, then type exit. Now we need to press Windows key plus R key together to open run and type your shutdown shutdown space dash s space dash f space dash t space 00 and hit enter. That's it. So that's it guys. You can also check out our description link to fix this issue. Don't forget to like the video and please do subscribe the channel.